Hey everybody, welcome to what we're calling Season 2 of Spoondrifters.
When I stayed home, I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
Season 1 was like a very, very long time. It was 3/4 of our lifetime, I think. Felt like it anyway. Good 3 years. Our seasons are not really about a length of time, but more what's going on. So Season 1 kind of is the refit, the boatyard, that kind of stuff. Season 2 we're moving into, we're in the water, we're beginning our adventure. We're gonna, do some learning to sail. We gotta shake down the boat a little bit, get the systems working right, do any tweaking we want to do. And so that's mainly what Season 2 is gonna be about.
And we really are excited to be able to interact with you and hear what you have to say and have you give us advice and be able to comment back and forth about some of the challenges that we know that we're going to run into in this season.
I know in Season 1 we did a ton of work on the boat, in the boatyard, but you know what? There's going to be some of that in Season 2 because having a boat is synonymous to having boat work. So we will have a bunch of that still to do, still to come.
So what are we going to do now, Liberty?
Decorate the bedrooms.
And make it ready for us to move aboard? Yep. So that's going to be a lot of this season as we get to do the fun stuff, right? We get to get mattresses and cushions and do all of the sewing projects, figure out how to cook and eat and live on a boat. Yep. That's going to be some of the fun stuff that we get to do.
Now we gotta teach Denali how to live on the boat. Like go to the bathroom, how to like the water, and how to climb up the stairs.
Over the last 3 years, we have made so many amazing friends. We're excited as we start to move and explore other parts of the coast to meet some of you guys.
That's right. So this will get us a chance to move around and hopefully we can run into you.
One of our favorite things to do is to hear about your dreams and what you're excited about and what you're looking forward to. So down in the comments, tell us what you're up to. What's your dream? What's your boat? What's your adventure that you're going on? Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be like ours.
Doesn't have to be a boat.
Nope. Just go on an adventure. Live your life. Do it today.
Plan an adventure. Pull it off this week.
Yep.
You can do it.
Bye-bye.
Bye.